Today, we express our heartfelt gratitude to all the parents, students, teachers, well-wishers, and supporters who joined us, enjoyed the delicious food, and helped to make our Mega Food Festival a wonderful success. Also, we would like to extend our profound thanks to all the players, coaches, referees, and schools who participated in the inter-school volleyball match. Your enthusiasm made the event a true success.